maging happy.
Last 2 minutes. 196,000 pesos. Press the button you're sure. Sino isang bubuksan? Pareho pa rin. 2 amounts are still higher than the banker's offer. Isa lang ang kailangan buksan. Deal or no deal? Okay. This is a very good offer already. 249,000 pesos. Press the button, it's yours. Say no, isang bubuksan. The million is still there. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, posibleng nandito, ang 1 million pesos. Deal or no deal?
Number 25, John!
Charnel, buksan! Your kamandag is back!
Higher, banker, higher.
Yes, banker? Sobrang laki ng binagsak. 35,000 pesos. Press the button, it's yours.
100,000.
Say no 1. Isang case. Deal. Or no deal? Okay, kayo po ang mamili. Mag-ingat po.
Number 1.
Number 16.
Sure kayo, ah?
75 pesos.
Yan ho yung tinanggihan nyo kanina. Yes, sure. Apo? Okay. Maybe, buksan. Yes?
Nasa na eh. Tingnan natin.
Okay.
100,000.
This will make you think.
100,000.
It's a big amount, but not quite that big. 100,000 pesos. Press the button, it's yours. Say no, buksan na natin ang case mo.
Pero deal na. Deal na tayo.
5,000 at 400,000 ang natitira. Malaking amount ang 100,000.
Para hindi.
Pero paano po kung 400,000 ang laman nito?
Deal na. Hindi ko makuha.
Deal?
Wala. Wala
or no deal? MJ? This is gonna have 5,000 or it can have 400,000 pesos. Tinanggap mo ang banker's offer na 100,000. Dito lang po tayo. Dito po. There. Okay, perfect. Yay!